So a piece of cherry cobbler, and I'm just thinking, I think I'm going to do some unusual fold cards. I think I'm going to do a little series of those, but for now I'm going to stick to a 6x8 or 6x4 and see what I can come up with. Or should I do another 6x6 card? Quite enjoyed doing that 6x6. I think I'll do another 6x6. My first 6x6 was going to be a shaker card, because I've never made one. And then I thought, no, I'll do that another time. So yeah, we'll do another big 6x6 card, because that was nice, doing that nice big card. And what should we go with? I think I'm going to go with the soldiers and some tartan and some ribbon, and we'll see how we do. So I'm going to do, I want the tartan off the back, so I'm going to go 5 1/8 and just take it all the way down, and then I'm going to go 5 7/8, and then I'm going to cut that I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that 4 like so. Do it the other way around. The soldiers and the tartan. Glue that on there. Should stay nice and flat like that. Okay, so I'm going to use fast fuse for that. If I've got the right fast fuse out. Yeah. Use fast fuse. Okay, and then I'm just going to snip that off. I think I'll use the Season's Greetings one this time. I'm going to just stick that there, but just so it doesn't look as bad as it does at the minute, I'm just going to get some of my little wooden dudes, wooden soldier dudes out, and I'm going to just pop them on going to put them like, should I just put them like that? Do you know, I don't know whether to colour them in a little bit. Is that a bee or a wasp in my house? Or a fly? One there. Just a couple of little soldiers sitting on there. Well, that's not the best card I've ever made, but it's not the worst either. If anyone likes this one, they're welcome to it, because I don't. I think that could do with being on something. Just make it pop. I'm liking the bow and this bit here. But yeah, so there's a couple of projects using using that DSP. It's a little bag and a little card.